In cold weather, your tires are definitely going to lose a few pounds of air. Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to fill your car's tires using both a portable unit and at the gas station. Your car's tires play many valuable roles in the safety and function of your vehicle, from helping you navigate twists, turns, and stops to carrying the full weight of your car. Fortunately, maintaining the proper tire pressure on your vehicle is one of the easiest yet most effective ways to care for your car's tires. Underinflated tires can not only reduce fuel efficiency, but it can also run the risk of getting into an accident, losing proper steering control, damaging various components of your vehicle, and more. If you notice your vehicle's tires' air pressure levels have dropped, it's best to inflate them as soon as possible. Checking your vehicle's tire pressure is a relatively simple task. You'll want to start by purchasing a tire gauge. These vary in price depending on the type you choose. It's also essential to keep a tire gauge on hand, as some gas stations' air hose gauges are not always accurate. Many modern cars and trucks also display the tire pressure for each tire on the dashboard. Once you have your tire gauge in hand, it's time to determine the proper pressure for your vehicle. To do this, you can either look for the recommended pressure on the sticker within the driver's side door jamb or look at your owner's manual. This is the tire pressure specification when the tires are cold, meaning not driven for a few hours. Remove the valve stem cap from your tires. Some cars and trucks have green valve stems with an N on them. This means your tires are filled with nitrogen instead of air. Air is mostly nitrogen. If your tires have these green valve stems, you can find some special stations that dispense nitrogen. But be aware that you can also use normal air as well. The inflation pressure specifications are the same regardless if the tire is filled with air versus nitrogen. Connect your air pressure gauge to the tire's valve stem until you receive a reading. If the pressure level number seems unrealistic, remove the gauge and try it again. This time, ensure that the indicator is connected firmly to the valve stem. It's not always possible to tell if your tire is underinflated by giving it a quick once over, such as these run flats. So check your PSI levels with a gauge each month and after extremely cold temperatures. You'll also want to check your pressure when your tires have had time to cool down, since air expands within your tires while driving. Now let's start with how to inflate your tires at home. Remove the valve stem cap. Use your tire gauge to check the air pressure before starting. Confirm the air hose and your tire's valve stem are both securely connected. Check the proper PSI rating on your door or manual. Set the proper PSI level on this particular model of air pump, and then once the desired PSI is reached, disconnect, and then we can move to the next tire. Try not to overinflate your tires. If you do, slowly release some of the air until you reach the correct amount of air. Also keep in mind that the tire's temperature and air pressure will rise as you drive, but it will go back down to your fill level. And of course, don't forget to replace the cap. Also try to do this in a safe place and away from traffic, and use the safety features offered by the pump, such as the safety lights, to warn other drivers. Filling your tires with air at the gas station is relatively simple. Bring your tire gauge and some spare change, since some are coin operated and are not always accurate with their pressure readings. Start by parking your vehicle close to the air dispenser so that you can comfortably reach each of your tires with the hose. And of course, to be safe, turn off your vehicle. Confirm the proper tire pressure from the driver's door jamb or manual. Remove the valve stem cap. Use your tire gauge to check the air pressure of the tire. If the pressure is low, which it is in this case, begin by adding air one tire at a time with the hose. Stop periodically to ensure that you haven't overinflated your tires. If you do overinflate them, release some of the air slowly until you reach the proper amount. Replace the tire valve cap and move to the next tire. There you have it. No more low pressure tires now that you know how to fill them with a portable unit and at the gas station. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Your Home Garage.